guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to sort out my little boy's Easter basket because I've got all the little bits now, so I'm going to just put it together. And yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now I am going to sort out his Easter basket, guys. Picked up a few little bits, like I can't believe Easter is just around the corner. So I've organised. So my best friend has got him Easter little goodies, so we are going to put it all in one anyway. So he's got some bubbles and he has another bubble because he is obsessed with bubbles, guys, like really obsessed with bubbles. So this is super perfect for his Easter basket. For Easter, all he loves to do is literally just play with the eggs. Easter eggs, guys, that is all he's ever wanted, is just Easter eggs. Not the chocolate ones, but like just these little toys. So just these Easter eggs, he just loves playing with them. So especially when we're going to do some little Easter hunt in the garden. So this is from last year, guys. Like, guys, I've literally just kept some of them all from last year's because he just likes playing with the same thing anyway. And these eggs, they never go old and you can always reuse them. So this one, as you remember, I got this from Tesco. This cute little bunny from Tesco. Thinking, so he's gonna have two Easter baskets, guys. Like, I couldn't resist of getting this basket because I know he has the crate one because, you know, I just couldn't resist. But there's nothing wrong with having two Easter baskets. Let me see what I can do. So he's got his Easter baskets here, but he's only just going to use one for now. So I'm thinking when we go do a little Easter hunt, he's got a little Easter basket, and then a little bunny one in this one here. And I'm thinking, so Easter egg from my best friend. So he's got really Dairy Milk chocolate, guys. I know me, I'll end up having some as well. But anyway, so yeah, we've got a Kinder Egg. He's got a load more Easter eggs. So I'm thinking of, and then I don't even know what I've got in here, guys. Oh yes, this is all from last year's. So I've got some like Easter banners that I can put off round. And then this is also from last year, where you can just hang in the door. And then I don't know what else I've got in here. Oh yes, I remember this. How cute is this, guys? See, because I totally forgot this. So this was, I think this was from Home and Bargains from last year's. So this is going to be outside in the garden. And then also another one from last year's. See, guys, I love keeping some of these from last year's. I've got some dominoes. You can see up a little bit closer. I've got some dominoes, which he likes to play. So yeah, I've got this Easter crate. So now, and then also, guys, I've got a little activity that he can play. So it's just more like a stick on, where you can just stick things. So it's, yeah, there's no glue, it's just like a stick on, and then you just add it on. I've got him all these cute Easter things going on here. He's so lucky, like he literally has 3 items going on. This is just for the Easter egg hunt, and then he's got on these cute little baskets, some more eggs, 3 cuddly toys, and yeah, I've got these cute little gifts here. This is also from Tesco. I really like this one because they do come in with like little stamps. I thought that was super cool. And yeah guys, he's going to be super happy with his gifts.